Welcome to Eric Blackman Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Music. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you some more easy, beautiful chords up and down the neck of the guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and this time we're in the key of A major. We'll start with an A suspended 2 chord. And all of our chords will be played with the middle and ring finger placed on the D and G string as we move up the neck of the guitar. We'll strum from the A string. So here's our first chord. That's an A suspended 2. We'll start with that chord. And we'll move the fingers to fret 4 and that's an A6 suspended 2. We'll move to fret 5 for an A minor 9. That's a nice chord. We'll move to fret 7 for an A suspended add 9. Up to fret 10. Now we have an A minor flat 6 flat 9. We'll move back to fret 9. Then to fret 7, fret 6, and at fret 6 we have an A major 9. Then we'll move all the way up to fret 12, where we have an A suspended 9th. We'll end our chord progression with an A major chord. So let's play that through again. Fret 2, 4, 5, 7, 10, 9, 7, 6, 12, fret 2 for an A. Now we can play these chords in any order, but let's try starting at fret 12 and working our way down the fretboard and see what it sounds like. Fret 12, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, A. Well, all right, my friends. Take those chords, play around with them, experiment with them, and see what you can come up with. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.